Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you how to make a corner to corner stitch pattern. You can use this pattern to make baby blankets, scarves, and you can use it to make cowl neck patterns, cowl neck as well. So I am using a 4 mm crochet hook for this project and a 3-ply silk yarn which is equal to 4-ply yarn in thickness. So first of all, make a slip knot with this yarn, and then with the help of crochet hook we will make chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, 5 and then 6. Now these first 3 chains are just counted as a stitch, and then we are going to make a double crochet into this fourth chain. So wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this fourth chain, draw up a loop like this, pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Then into the next chain make a double crochet like this, then into the next chain make a double crochet like this. Now make 6 chains again, 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. After making 6 chains, into the fourth chain we are going to make a double crochet, 1, then into the next chain 1 double crochet, and then into this sixth chain 1 double crochet. Now just flip it like this or turn it like this, and then into this chain 3 space we are going to make a slip stitch like this. And now we are going to work into this chain 3 space. So make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, and then in this chain 3 space we are going to make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 like this. This is our first corner, and then we have these two. Now make 6 chains again, 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. Into the fourth chain right here make a double crochet, into the fifth one make a double crochet, then into the sixth one make a double crochet stitch. And now again flip it like this, and into this chain 3 space make a slip stitch. We are going to make 3 chains, 1 2 and then 3, and we are going to make 3 double crochet stitches in this same chain 3 space. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3, and we are going to make a slip stitch into this chain 3 space now. So make a slip stitch here, make 3 chains again and make 3 double crochet stitches in this chain 3 space, 1 2 and then 3. You can see this third row. Again make 6 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Into the fourth chain make a double crochet, a double crochet into the fifth chain, then a double crochet into the sixth chain, flip it, make a slip stitch into the third chain 3 space, sorry. Now complete this row like this till the end, and then I will show you how to decrease this pattern. So I have completed this row. Now to make a decrease, instead of making 6 chains here, we are going to make 3 chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3. Turn up the work, and in this chain 3 space we are going to make a slip stitch. And now we are going to make 3 double crochet stitches here in this chain 3 space. So make 3 chains and make 3 double crochet stitches in this chain 3 space. Slip stitch into this next chain 3 space. You can see here it's going to become flat now. So 3 chains, 3 double crochet stitches in this chain 3 space. A slip stitch into this chain 3 space, then 3 chains, 3 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, and then 3, and then a slip stitch in this last chain 3 space. And now we are going to make 3 chains and turn chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3. So 3 chains, turn up like this, and then make a slip stitch into the third chain. So this is how we decrease the pattern. Now you can see these 3 corners here. So 3 chains and 3 double crochet stitches in this chain 3. 1, 2, and then 3. Slip stitch in this third chain, chain 3, 3 double crochet stitches in this chain 3 space. 1, 2, and then 3. Then make a slip stitch in this third chain. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and then 3. Turn up the work. Make a slip stitch into this third chain, chain 3 space, sorry. Then 3 chains and 3 double crochet stitches in this space. Then make a slip stitch in this chain 3 space, and you can see a square pattern here. So this is how you make a corner to corner stitch pattern. I hope you guys like this tutorial video. If you like it, give it big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to get more tutorial videos like this for baby blankets and other baby projects and adult projects of crochet work as well. So stay connected to get them all. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and your family. Bye.